Meaning of grebe.
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 Grebe. A grebe is a type of freshwater diving bird found across the globe. They are known for their small size, plump appearance, and habit of diving underwater to catch fish and other aquatic prey. Grebes have unique adaptations for swimming and diving, including lobed toes that help them paddle through the water and feathers that trap air to provide buoyancy. Some species of grebes are threatened or endangered due to habitat loss and other human impacts. Overall, grebes are fascinating birds that play an important ecological role in their aquatic habitats.